In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to restore Disney Plus when it stops working suddenly. First, check the server status of Disney Plus. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Disney Plus server status and search for it. Navigate to the website Down Detector. If Disney's server are experiencing an outage, you'll need to wait for a service to be restored. If not, you can follow other steps. Restart Disney Plus. First, close the Disney Plus app, then relaunch it. This often resolves temporary connection and playback issues. Next, restart your device. Whether you're using a smart TV, streaming stick, phone, tablet, game console, or computer, turn the device off completely, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Restart your internet connection. Unplug your modem or router, wait about 60 seconds, plug them back in. Next, sign out and sign back in. If Disney Plus opens but one stream or shows account-related errors, sign out, close the app, sign back in. Check for app update. An outdated app can suddenly stop working if Disney changes its services or security requirements. Update Disney Plus through your device App Store or Play Store. Disable VPNs and proxies. VPNs can cause login failures, reason errors, streaming interruptions, server-related messages. Lastly, completely delete Disney Plus and reinstall it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.